Alright, so have you run out of credits on PlayHT for voice generation? Fear not, you can make thousands after this tutorial. For this tutorial, let's first finish up the remaining bonus. Oh, seems we had some more bonus.
Hello, please subscribe.
Seems we still have more. Let's try another text. Oops, we are out of credits. You can see it wants us to upgrade our plan to continue. But that's not what we are here for. Let's take a shortcut. But how? Stick around. Well, you can see we have nothing left. So how do we go about this? We need to create a new but temporary account. Click your account and navigate to log out. You get logged out and a window like this pops out. So after logging out, add new tab. Search for MIYTC. Cross-check the results for that website, fewmail.co. And yes, this one. There is always a default email that comes when you open the site, but we don't need that one. Well, there is no much problem with using this default one, but you have options anyways. Let's delete it. Then it will refresh and give us a new one. Yes, let's use this one. Copy that and come back to the previous window. Click on Sign Up. Paste the email here and complete the rest of the details. Oops, we forgot to enter our name. All right, let's sign up. You hear that? Seems we have received the message. Anyways, let this window first load. So this pop-up says we need to confirm our email through a link sent to our email. Well, let's go back there and check it out. Scroll down and here it is. Open it and here is the link. Let's click on that. Here we go, but hold on a bit. Just a moment, all will be set. Wonderful, here we go. We have more 1,000 credits to use for free. Now go ahead and do your text-to-speech conversions. And by the way, do you need to use your custom voice for this process for free? Check out my other videos on this channel to do it real quick.
Hello, please subscribe.
But then, there is a problem. We cannot download this audio for free. Worry not, check out this video on how to do it real quick for free. Please subscribe.